Okay, we're gonna continue the last part, cabinet oblique. We're gonna do the circle part. Refer again to page 47. We're gonna do this time drawing number 1. This drawing we did in an isometric. An isometric was demanding and it involved some kind of work. Now in cabinet oblique it is more straightforward. Also, if you're noticing, we have more details on the left, so the best thing, the inclination, we do it on the left hand side. The drawing is 76 in length, the height is 64, and the depth is 51. The 51 is going to be divided by 2, half depth. Okay, so we're going to refer to the drawing where we left. Construction line. First we're going to do the wireframe. We're going to do 76. The height is 64. Okay, we're going to do it a bit on the right hand side. 45 degrees. 51 is going to be 25.5. That is the inclination. From each corner I'm gonna do the same. And I'm gonna join. Okay, so that is the wireframe which is in place. So we need to put the drawing in that space over there. This profile over here, the front, is straightforward. We can just do it as if we're doing orthographic. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna measure 32, going down. So okay, these two lines I'm gonna do them center line because it's gonna be a round profile. Okay, so outline with the compass. Straight away we do the round profile, which is 32 radius. We're gonna do just a semicircle, not a full circle, and we're gonna join the rest of the drawing. So that is the first part is done. Now, as we did with the cylinder, what we're gonna do, from the center of the first circle, okay, the best thing is from each point I'm gonna transfer 45 degrees. Okay, I'm gonna transfer also from the center 45 degrees. Now if I refer to the handout, the thickness of the first circular part is 60 millimeter, so it's gonna be 8. Okay, so from this corner I'm gonna measure 8 millimeter using 45 degrees. Where we have the 8, we can do a small target. That means the circle is gonna start from there. Okay, then if I just drop a line from the back, I have the limit of the drawing. That is the drawing, it arrives till there. Since I have that point, I can do another circle using this center. I will place the target for you to understand better, to follow. So I have another target over there. So this is the center. I'm going to do another target. this is center for the first circle, this is center for the very last circle, this is the center for the second circle. Still I need to do from the back. I'm gonna measure 9 millimeter, and I'm gonna do another target. Okay, from here I'm gonna measure 9 millimeter. I'm gonna do a circle because it is more straightforward for me to do it. I'm gonna pick the target again, which is over there. Okay, if you're noticing, I have 4 centers because the drawing is made up from 4 semicircles. Okay, so second target, I'm gonna do open compass again, radius 32. From this corner, from that center, I'm gonna draw another circle, which is over there. From the third center, I'm gonna draw another circle. For now it is a bit confusing, but all we need to do is finish the drawing. I'm gonna join from there. Okay, here it gives another measurement, which is 25 millimeter. So here I'm gonna measure 25. Okay, this I can drop it off. In your case you don't need to do it outline. Okay, that is finished. I'm gonna finish this part, the top part. Now here, as we said in the previous drawing, we mentioned the tangents. 45 degrees. From the first circle, I'm gonna do a tangent. It doesn't show very well, but there it is, a tangent line at 45 degrees. It is very important because it is gonna finish the drawing. What we need to do is, from there till there, I'm gonna remove the excess. So this one is gonna show till there. I'm gonna remove the other. I'm gonna remove this part. Oopsie. This I'm gonna take it off. Okay, all we need to do is outline the tangent. We have one here, a tiny line, and we have another one over there. Okay, a vertical line to finish the drawing, and that's all. That is done. Okay, still it needs some concentration to do. The most important part is to locate the center for each arc. So you have to notice that this drawing is made up from 4 semicircles. Each semicircle has got a center. So this is the first center, second center, third and fourth. Between the first and the second there's 9 millimeter because the drawing is 16, it's supposed to be 8 millimeter, and 8 millimeter at the back, and the middle part it will come on its own. Okay, so this I need to do a correction, the distance between the